Hey guys, a very good morning to all my crypto peculiars. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the Conmonks got you covered. You can also stay crypto dated with by listening to our crypto news podcast. We've left the link for you in the description box below. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Meme coin Floki Inu bags promotion on Dubai's Burj Khalifa. Is India finally ready to regulate crypto? Here are the signs that suggest the answer is yes. Croatia's largest supermarket chain now accepts crypto. The data on today's most popular meme coin are quite fascinating. So let's start off with our refresh feed. Firstly, Flokino will become the first advert on Burj Khalifa to use the word cryptocurrency. The team behind Flokino would leave no stone unturned in their bid to make sure that the meme coin and the crypto industry entirely are registered in the consciousness of the people of the world. Elon Musk's Shiba Inu dog-inspired project is being marketed on the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, in the latest marketing attempt. According to the post from Crypto Assets' official Twitter account, the meme currency will be shown atop the historic Burj Khalifa building on December 3rd, 2021 at 8:40 p.m. Dubai time and 4:40 p.m. UTC. It went on to say that the show was timed to coincide with the UAE's biggest National Day celebrations, which is when the building is typically designated for official, government, and royal family events in the Middle Eastern country. The project would gain a new degree of visibility in this manner, and it would be able to pique the curiosity of the powerful. Floki Inu would also be the first advertisement atop the 2,722-foot tall tower to utilize the term cryptocurrency. According to the company, the commercial will help to solidify the crypto asset's reputation as a serious initiative while also legitimizing it in the eyes of the crypto community. So, moving forward with our next coverage, India is the second biggest crypto market in terms of global adoption, with an estimated investment of 6.6 billion IRN in the asset class. Unsurprisingly, reports of a likely private crypto ban caused market mayhem in the country last week. However, Subhash Garg, the former finance secretary who drafted the crypto bill, called the bill's description mentioning the ban a mistake. Well, that indeed was a huge, even bigger than developing TikTok, I guess. Anyways, let's have a look at the current scenario. In a recent research, the Observer Research Foundation suggested that instead of outlawing cryptocurrencies, India should explore regulating them, adding that a prohibition would be technically unfeasible due to the technology's decentralized nature. Adding to it, India has a history of prohibiting items and services that demonstrate fresh market innovation. Such prohibitions frequently have unforeseen repercussions, including huge revenue losses for the government that affect people's livelihoods, as well as severe consequences for industries compelling them to enter underground marketplaces. ORF advocated a co-regulatory model in which, to manage and regulate the Indian crypto market, SEBI, the RBI, the Ministry of Finance, and a crypto asset service providers industry organization collaborate. It also recommended implementing a disclosure system for investor protection similar to that used in the securities industry. However, ORF advocated a safe harbor for crypto asset service providers to stimulate innovation, stating, "Safe harbors have shown to be incredibly effective safeguards for innovation over the years. Many huge technological businesses have gotten where they are because of them and are far easier to construct than regulatory sandboxes." ORF campaigned for the abolition of a transaction tax on exchanges in India, as well as the introduction of tax incentives for firms who provide verified data in the industry. It also advocated introducing technology tools for conformity with regulatory norms, as well as a framework for taxation revenue from crypto asset capital gains. So, moving forward with our next segment, while it now accepts crypto online, Conzum plans to expand the new payment option to its physical chain stores soon. Conzum, the largest supermarket chain in Croatia, is creeping up with the times by debuting payments in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. This is quite interesting, isn't it? Let's have a look at the present situation. On Monday, the company said that it now takes 9 cryptocurrencies as payment in its online store, allowing users to buy groceries, hygiene items, and household supplies with cryptocurrency. Bitcoin, Ether, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, DAI, Ripple, Stellar, and stablecoins like Tether and USD Coin are among the supported cryptocurrencies according to the release. Quantum teamed with a local crypto payment processor, Electrocoin, to develop Paycheck, a system that allows retailers to accept cryptocurrency payments to enable the new crypto payment option. Because of the extreme volatility of the crypto prices, the Paycheck method gives customers to a fixed rate at the start of the transaction, giving them enough time to complete it successfully according to the statement. While Consum now only accepts cryptocurrency as a form of payment online, the company intends to expand the payment option across its whole grocery network in the near future. The business employs approximately 10,000 people in Croatia and operates over 700 outlets. The introduction of crypto payments, according to Consum board member Euro Kalini, demonstrates the company's dedication to global trends and developments in the retail sector. So moving towards our final segment for today, let's have a look at the meme coin who topped the list today. So it is eShib. eShib is a token which belongs to a group of people who claim that we are a group of forward-thinking young people who are investing in the burgeoning cryptocurrency industry. Our proceeds will be used to improve the environment by supporting reforestation as well as to assist those in need and to help young people reap a future. I think if their claims are true, then it is indeed for a good cause, ain't it? Anyways, let's have a look at what this coin is and what this surge is about. The live Euro Shiba Inu price today at the time of my check is $2.8411 with a 24 trading volume of 54100 and 778 USD dollars. This is the updated eShib to USD price. Euro Shiba Inu is high by 9,000% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is 3587. The max supply of eShib tokens is around 4,200 trillion and the current supply is still not clear. Wait, does this number even exist? Anyways, this token got listed in CoinMarketCap in the last 24 hours only, and within a few hours it got to hold the top coin of the day spot. A few hours ago, it also completed its first 2,000 customers. Excited about its future? Me too. Anyways, let's have a look ahead of it. What more their developers have to say. Even though its concept is still in progress, Euro Shiba Inu is a digital asset that is doing very well. eShib pays its own owners 5% of each transaction, with 5% going to donations in the event of a natural disaster, educating youngsters to care for and enhance the environment, reforesting and classifying the land as a protected area, training businesses in the realm of cryptocurrencies, and much more. The project, which began in Spain by a group of young people who recognized an opportunity to improve people's quality of life while also raising awareness about climate change, now has a global team as people from many nations join the project and try to keep it expanding. Join this fantastic effort that will soon become a model for better, more ecological and supportive world. So we would now wind up with the assessment for today morning and meet you all tomorrow with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.